Xindali Industries Company Limited. XDL10 EPB Control Switch includes various types. Products are ISO 9001, RoHS, CE, UL, TUV approved. Waterproof function upgraded, safety assured. Easy assembly, reliable quality. It provides machines upward and downward controlling, which can mechanically interlock the button. When misoperation, reciprocating direction happen. The contact block provides a function of mechanical interlocking, delicate design, tight quality, safe operation. Customers can choose according to their needs. Various specifications of contact block. XDL10 EPB Control Switch includes various wiring solutions. Support customized wiring according to customer needs. Easy to install with mounting bracket. Powerful magnetic installation. XDL10 EPB Control Switch is widely used with a safe operation to meet customers' satisfaction. Made by Xindali.